Welcome to Juvo Leads. I'm Ted DeBencourt, one of the co-founders here, and this is a quick guide on how to use the platform. So anytime you come to Juvo Leads, this is your default screen, and you can come to Juvo Leads through either two ways. One, you got a lead notification from either a chat lead, a phone lead, or a form lead, and you click the button in the email, view this lead, and you're sent here, or you went to your client dashboard and you logged in using your login and password. Once you've logged in once, every time you click that button, you'll be sent right into the dashboard. So from in here, what we want to do is we want to see all our leads in one place, and then we want to be able to score those leads so we can help our marketing team get more good leads for us and leads that convert into clients. So how we do that is every time a lead comes in, you'll see it here, and let's take a look at this lead right here. This was a bad lead, but that's good to know. So when we log in, we can, or click the button, we can either we can see the name, phone number, email here. Everything's blurred out because this is a live account. We can see the summary of the lead notification from our agent, as well as the full chat transcript. And then most importantly, we can set the status. So this is how we set the status. We click edit, and we can either set it here to either signed client, good lead, bad lead, or not a lead. And if they become a signed client, then we can enter an estimated revenue value. I'm not going to hit save because it's a live account. And then alternatively, we can just right click and do it from the dashboard. And just real quick, here's the definitions for how we define a lead. So there's a good lead, which is a legit inquiry into your firm. A bad lead, this could be someone outside of your practice area, outside of your geographic region, someone just looking for free advice, or generally anyone that doesn't meet a qualification to become a client. Not a lead is defined as spam, an existing client request, or a status update from them, harassment, or any reason why an inquiry wouldn't be a lead. A signed client, this is somebody your firm actually signs and becomes a client. Okay, so back to here. So we do all this mainly because we want to get the insights from it. So here's our Juvo Leads insight reports, which your marketing agency will use to help optimize your account. And from here, we can see where the leads came from, where the clients came from, and where the revenue came from. And this is very important because it's important to not get leads, but to get revenue from the marketing activities. And this is where we see that behavior. So here we have it sorted by lead method. So did the lead, clients, and revenue come from chats, calls, or forms? What channels did they come from? Direct traffic, organic traffic, paid traffic, referral, and social. Source. This is the website they were on before they came to your website. So most of them are going to be for Google for this client, DuckDuckGo for some. Not a lot for Facebook here, which is interesting. And then by campaigns, we can see what campaigns they came from, as well as terms. This is my favorite report. We can see what search terms are the ones that are driving not only leads and clients, but also revenue. And then also, all this data is easily exportable into CSV right here. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.